yeah, this one goes out to anyone who is healing a broken heart.
After all that I said, abrasive, I pressed the buttons. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend with the hurtful things that I said, but I love you, and that's what I came here to say. I'm sorry that I can't move on just as quickly, 'cause it's been so long and you mean so much, you mean so much to me. And as time moves on, will I regret this? Will I still be holding on to what can never be something at all? Break back to square one. Nothing ever changes to me. Just say that it's better this way, so why haven't I turned from this page? I'm just stupid, holding on to nothing at all. Oh, why can't I forget? Why can't we start again? So hard, why can't it just end? Oh, why can't we go back? You love me after all that I've done, you forgave me. After all that I said, abrasive, and I pressed the buttons. I'm sorry. I need you keep letting us go, but I can't see. Stopping the road, I'll just wait here till you can let me go. And I believe you. Break back to square one. Nothing ever changes to me. Oh, why can't I forget? Why can't we start again? Why is it so hard? Why can't it just end? Oh, why can't we go back to it? Thank you.